Hi everyone! Today we're baking the ultimate pumpkin spice cupcakes. Soft, fluffy, full of cozy autumn flavors. Let's make them from scratch. Plus, that light whipped cream cheese frosting. Perfect for fall. First, preheat 175 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit. Line the pan, dry bowl. Flour, 190 grams. Baking powder, 6 grams. Soda, 3 grams. Salt, 2 grams. Pumpkin spice, 9 to 10 grams. Whisk, quick, even. Now everything rises right and smells like leaves crunching. Large bowl. Brown sugar, 120 grams. Granulate, 50. Oil, 120. Whisk fast till it's all friends. Crack in 2 eggs, whisk harder. Pumpkin, 200 grams. Milk, 60, or buttermilk. Vanilla, 1 teaspoon. Keep going until it's thick, orange, ready to hug the flour. Flour goes in. Fold, no beating, no drama, just until they disappear. Thick but lazy pourable. Scoop into liners, 3/4 full, no spilling. They're already smelling like cinnamon hugs. Bake for 18 to 25 minutes. Toothpick test. Clean means done. Let them rest in the pan, just 5 minutes. Then out onto the rack. Feel the heat rise. They need to breathe before we pile on that frosting. Patience pays. Frosting time! Cupcakes are cooling, so we're ready. Bowl 1. 225 grams cream cheese, splash of vanilla, beat till silky. Powdered sugar, 80 to 90 grams, slowly in, no lumps, just velvet. Chill the next bowl. Heavy cream, 240 grams, Ice cold, whip with 15 grams powdered sugar. Go slow, then faster. Stop when peaks hold. Stiff, glossy, almost magical. Fold a third of that cloud into the cream cheese. Stir easy, it loosens. Then the rest, fold, like you're tucking someone in. Fluffy, uniform, dreamy. If it's too soft, fridge it, 15-20 minutes. Comes out colder, sharper, ready for pipes or spoons. Gel coloring. It's stronger, no watery mess. Split the frosting into bowls. Swirl orange, maybe brown for that pumpkin feel. Chill each 5 minutes. Pipe clean, no bleed. Or keep it plain white. Let the spice shine. Your call. And there you have it, moist, fluffy pumpkin spice cupcakes, topped with that dreamy, barely there frosting. If you liked this, thumbs up, subscribe, drop me a comment. What fall recipe should I tackle next? Happy baking! Thanks for watching. See you next time.